What's up everyone, this is Elton Jukino once again, and for today we are going to start unboxing my toy collection. So this is episode number 1. So basically we're going to start from this item. This is Mark 50 battling version from Infinity War movie. This is created by Hot Toys, Bobblehead, and the serial is Cosbaby for 62. So basically we're going to start from this item because this is actually a valuable item for me. This was a birthday gift that I received from my wife last year, and I wanted this one to be the first toy that we're going to unbox here in my channel. So let's check it. This is a bobblehead again, and then you can see the triangle heart reactor of Iron Man, and then the details here. So this is a good details. At the back, and you can see this one right here, and at the bottom you can see the marble sign. So that's it. So that's everything inside the box. By the way, this was bought last year during Comic-Con. The price of this one is 910 peso. So basically, this is a good collection item. I think that's all. Hope you like my video. If you do, press a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and support my channel. I will be unboxing some of my collection again in the next video. So if you have any question, comments, thoughts, comment down below. Peace!